High-quality smart locks for all kind of doors with fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi, PIN code access, card access and physical key for sale at 3,500 Mercedes. It's suitable for all doors including China doors, Turkish doors, Italian doors and wooden doors. It's sold for 3,500 Mercedes with free installation. You can unlock your door with the app downloaded on your phone or unlock it with your face or your fingerprint or password or with the NFC card or physical key as well. The camera allows you to see the person behind the door either on your phone or on the other side of the lock before unlocking the door for the person. When intruder tries to open the door, an image of the intruder is taken and sent to your phone. It's made from high-strength aluminum alloy material, corrosion resistance. It's rechargeable and the battery capacity is 4,200 mAh lithium battery and a single charge can last up to 5 months depending on the usage. It can store up to 100 faces, 100 fingerprints, 100 passwords, 100 NFC cards. After closing the door, the latch will pop out and lock automatically. The door can be opened with key in any condition. Even if the power is off, the fingerprints, PIN codes and NFC card data will not be lost. The alarm will sound automatically when the power is low, and the alarm will also be given if the unlocking is unsuccessful for many times. If the battery is runs, there is USB port as emergency charge and also have a physical key as well. It's sold for 3,500 Mercedes. Call or WhatsApp 024-831-3016. We are located in Accra.